everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. I'll be showing you how to get stickers on WhatsApp in today's tutorial episode. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to WebTech tutorial by smashing the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To get stickers in WhatsApp, tap open WhatsApp application. Tap on any individual conversation or a group conversation. To add sticker pack, tap on emoji. Tap on sticker icon right below. Now tap on the plus sign at the top right. To download a sticker, tap on the download button next to the sticker pack and the sticker will start to download. The green check mark will appear once the sticker is downloaded. Now, after you tap on the sticker you want to send, the sticker will automatically be sent to your contact. That is how you can download and get sticker packs on WhatsApp. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.